Morning student. Now I am continue from yesterday. Till yesterday we have discussed. Till yesterday students we have discussed about the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. Okay, and we have seen as Gandhi recognized students. As Gandhi recognized that all the Congress member and the people living in the countryside is not well trained. That is why Gandhi students wanted that all the Congress leader must visit to the countryside to awaken the Indian peoples about the national sentiment. As you have noticed that during the non-cooperation movement, many of the peoples means in countryside, in plantation area, took the meaning of Swaraj differently. That is why Gandhi wanted a student to leave a message for Indian peoples about the national sentiment about the Swaraj. What many of the Congress leader were not happy by the way Gandhi have withdrawn the non-cooperation movement, and some of them students even not favor about the movement. They wish a student to participate in the council election and protest the British within the Congress, as they recognize that movement cause violence, widespread violence. That is why C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru formed a new political party which we called Swaraj Party. The main intention of the Swaraj Party was to oppose British policies within the council, argue for the reform, and increase the Indian member in the council students. Okay, and meanwhile students, there was also Great Depression occurred in the world from 1929 to 32. Okay, and British recognized students the continuous movement by the Indian peoples and protest, and that is why he students organized the Tory government. The Tory government in Britain set up a statutory commission under Sir John Simon, which is popularly known as a Simon Commission. What Congress decided to protest the commission as there was no Indian students, and when commission arrived in India in 1928, it was protested with black flag and Simon go back slogan. ठीक है. Meanwhile students, in 1929 Lahore session of Congress was held, in which many of the decision has been taken. The decision student Jawaharlal Nehru succeeded his father Motilal Nehru as the Congress president. उस समय कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट जो थे वो मोतीलाल नेहरू थे. It was decided that 26 January would be celebrated as Independence Day, when people would pledge to a struggle for complete independence. इसके पहले हमारा ऑटोनोमस डिमांड था, ठीक है, लेकिन लाहौर सेशन में हमने कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस दिया. ठीक है. द ट्राई कलर फ्लैग वाज हॉस्टेड. नेशनल फ्लैग जगह जगह हॉस्टेड किए गए. द डिमांड फॉर पूर्ण स्वराज और कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस वाज फॉर्मलाइज देयर. ठीक है. मीनवाइल स्टूडेंट्स, गांधी saw a symbol of unity in salt. ठीक है. And that is why Gandhi students wanted the most powerful of this was Gandhi wrote a letter on 31st January 1930 to Lord Irwin, okay, Governor General of India students, demanding the 11th demand, and most powerful of this was the demand of abolition of hated salt tax. The government decision to impose a tax on salt and monopolize its productions create intense anger among the peoples. That students Gandhi wanted must be abolished, and that is why Gandhi wrote a letter and given the ultimatum till 10th March. But none of the demand of Gandhi was considered, and that is why from 11th March Gandhi launched the famous salt journey, salt march from Sabarmati Ashram with 78 followers. ठीक है. He covered students 240 miles and in 24 days 10 miles daily. ठीक है. And manufactured ए साल्ट एट डांडी। ठीक है, तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग साल्ट बाय गांधी स्टूडेंट्स मार्क द बिगनिंग ऑफ सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट। ठीक है, व्हेन द मूवमेंट स्टूडेंट्स लॉन्च देयर, ठीक है, many of the Indian people manufactured salt and demonstrated before the industry of the British, है ना। in many area of our country the people stop paying taxes, चौकीदारी टैक्स, land revenue, this was stopped there, है ना। it was led by Abdul Ghaffar Khan who was known as a frontier Gandhi in north west part Lahore and Punjab। ठीक है, by Abdul Ghaffar Khan। ठीक है, British students subsequently took the stern measure to students crush this movement. Many of the Congress leaders were decided, many of the Congress leaders were taken into the imprison and ultimately Gandhi was also students। ठीक है, it is because British have declared the movement illegal। ठीक है, and that is why Gandhi students entered into गांधी इरविन पैक्ट, है ना, गांधी इरविन पैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स ऑन 5 मार्च 1931। ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस गांधी इरविन पैक्ट गांधी स्टूडेंट्स promise to withdraw the movement and Irvin students decided or promised to release all the political prisoner। That is why Gandhi went to London to participate in the second round table conference। When he returned he was shocked as no political leader of Congress was yet released। That is why Gandhi decided to relaunch the movement in 1932, but this time no people show interest in it। Why the Indian people students not participated when Gandhi launched the movement second time? ये आपको तभी पता चलेगा जब आप ये समझोगे कि फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेशन में क्या हुआ। तो आप देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, हम किसान में चलते हैं तो बड़े किसान और छोटे किसान, ठीक है, तो बिग लैंडलॉर्ड लाइक द पाटीदार जाट, है ना, पार्टिसिपेटेड इन सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट विथ द होप दैट दिस टाइम द टैक्सेस वुड बी डिक्रीज because due to the economical crisis, due to the great depression, economic depression, these farmer students was unable to pay the taxes to the British as the crops price students crack rapidly। That's why they participated there, but they were reluctant when Gandhi withdraw the movement without any solution। तो बड़े किसान क्या हो गया, चूँकि इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन था तो वो लोग टैक्स देने में असक्षम थे, तो उनको लगा कि चलो अगर हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, सरकार टैक्स माफ़ कर देती है तो बहुत बड़ी राहत होगी, क्योंकि इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन की वजह से जो फसलों की कीमत थी वो काफ़ी नीचे गिर गया था। ठीक है, लेकिन उन लोग को निराशा हाथ लगा जब गांधी ने विड्रॉ कर लिया विदाउट कोई डिसीजन का। जहाँ तक पुअर पीजेंट की बात है स्टूडेंट्स, तो दे आल्सो स्टूडेंट्स डिमांडिंग द ग्रांट द रेंट, वो लोग ज़मीन भाड़े पे लेके खेती करता था, है ना, तो दे विदिन द सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस द नो रेंट मूवमेंट। ठीक है, बट कांग्रेस स्टूडेंट नॉट सपोर्टेड देम ड्यू टू द फियर ऑफ लैंडलॉर्ड। तो अगला बार जब हुआ तो गरीब किसान भी साथ नहीं दिए। सो फार एज इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट इज कंसर्न, देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट मेड ह्यूज मनी ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर। ठीक है, एंड दे participated in civil disobedience movement students due to because excise duty was increased, so they not only participated in the movement but also helped students financially to the movement। ठीक है, but they were also reluctant students when no result came out and the students Gandhi withdraw the movement। That is why when Gandhi launched the second time these industrialists show no interest there। तो इसके बहुत सारे रीज़न है क्यों नहीं भाग लिए दूसरी बार, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स दिस इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट वेयर स्टूडेंट्स फियर अफ्रेड ड्यू टू द ग्रोइंग वायलेंस ड्यूरिंग द मूवमेंट। तो वायलेंस की वजह से इन लोग को डर था। दूसरा डर था स्टूडेंट्स इट काउज मीन्स ए लॉन्ग डिस्टर्बेंस डिसरप्शन इन देयर बिजनेस, क्योंकि मोमेंट 1-2 दिन में तो होता नहीं था, 2 महीना 4 महीना 5 महीना चलता था। तो इससे उसका बिजनेस प्रभावित होता था। एंड मेनी ऑफ द यंग कांग्रेस लीडर स्टूडेंट्स नाउ हैव इनक्लीन थिंकिंग, दे शो देयर एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड द सोशलिज्म। और बहुत सारा कांग्रेस लीडर का जो सोच है ना वो सोशलिज्म होते जा रहा था, तो इस वजह से ये लोग सपोर्ट नहीं किए। जहाँ तक वर्कर की बात रही है स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, तो वर्कर जो है ना स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स पार्टिसिपेटेड इन नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, नॉट मेनी ऑफ द वर्कर्स बट सम मिल वर्कर स्टूडेंट्स, कॉटन मिल वर्कर पार्टिसिपेटेड देयर, दे वर डिमांडिंग टू इंक्रीज देयर वेजेस एंड रिड्यूस द वर्किंग आवर, what due to the fear of industrialist Congress not supported them. That is why when the second time it was launched no people show their interest. ठीक है, अब देखिए एक यूनिक फीचर देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स महिला का यहाँ पे, है ना, कि वोमेन पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द मूवमेंट एट वेरी लार्ज एक्सटेंट. They participated, it is because when Gandhi students was on the way of the Salt March, they organized various rally of the women and requested them to participate in the movement. That is why the women participated there to get the political recognition. ठीक है, वो लोग चाहते थे कि हमको राजनीतिक रूप से हमारा भी मतलब स्टूडेंट्स वैल्यू मिले. ठीक है, what students they were reluctant as Gandhi requested them to look after the home. ठीक है, इसके कुछ लिमिटेशन भी था. एक लास्ट वीडियो हम देंगे आपको, मंडे को मिलेगा, फिर ये समाप्त हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे.